Hey you guys, so today I'm continuing my bonnet making. At this point in time, I'm going to go and cut a few little pieces all the way around, um, right after, finishing sewing around the edge. This is important because it makes it easy for you to turn anything that you're working with that's circular inside, right side out. So basically I'm going to use the little hole that I left there open, and I'm going to use that hole and I'm going to turn everything together around at the same time. Oh, I think that came out so pretty together. Anyway, so as you can see, I at this point in time I can lay everything down flush, um and basically iron around the edge. However, I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to use my clips and I'm going to lay the edges together. And it's like a way of, I guess you could say, temporarily holding the edges together without having to go ironing right now. However, I do recommend the press. Me being pressed for time creating this video, that that's what I got going on. But if you a clip girly and you want to tap in with the clippies, it is up to you. Okay, this is your world, sister. This is your world. I'm just in it. Okay, but yeah, I just take these and I go all the way around. um Now the opening that I have, of course, is going to stay open, but once I do all of this, I can use my sewing machine and I use the zigzag stitch of my choice. Now for my machine, I am going to use a number 5. Okay, number 5 always get me right and get me tight, and it handle my business for me. Okay, so again, um, even with getting it ready for the machine, I'm going to sew about at least a half of an inch away from the edge. So that way I can create a nice casing for when I add my elastic, because I'm just doing a basic reversible. I'm not, doing no extra razzle dazzle. I ain't trying to be all cute and fluffy on the outside. We just doing a regular little 1-2 situation. So yeah, that's what we got going on. And again, once I get to the other end, look like I'm almost there. Okay, so each one of these videos, I'm going to create their own segment of the process. So for right now, after I finish my clipping, I'm going to go ahead and get my machine situated. I already have the setting I want to put it on. And then in our next video, we're going to go ahead and sew this up. Okay. So again, I am using my number 5 zigzag stitch. I'm going to sit my bonnet up here. That way you can get the basically the alignment of how I lay it there, right under the needle. See, so I have my opening, and I like to start right past my opening, and I go ahead and put everything under the machine and get ready to get started. So again, we're going to come back for the next part, and I thank you guys so much for being supportive during this series. And yeah, we're gonna keep going.